Now we discuss the construction of three-point stator and working principle of the stator. This is the electrical connection diagram. Okay, first you view this is a several section resistance. This is the several section resistance which are the connected in series. Okay, the several section resistance R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. These are connected in series with the armature winding. Okay, and first we see the starting point of the resistance. This point 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 then run is a controlled point. Okay, this is the control point. The first controlling point is connected with the field winding through NVC. NVC means no volt release coils. Okay, no volt release coil. Another run position is connected with the armature winding. Okay, then we see DC supply. First positive negative supply. Positive point is connected with the overload release coil. This is called overload release coil or OV coil, overload release coil. And then is current is throughout to spiral spring. This is called spiral spring, and this is called starter arm. This is called starter arm. Okay, this is called starter arm. It is here clamped with soft iron piece. This is the soft iron piece. Okay, and here is a on lever. Here is the on lever, and this is the triangular iron pieces. Okay, this is the several construction part of the 3-point stator. How to work is 3-point stator or working principle of the 3-point stator. Let's we starting. Here is supply, DC supply. When DC supply positive point is connected with the L point. L is line supply. Okay, this line supply is through this supply is through overload and spiral spring to starter arm. Okay, this supply is starter arm. When the supply starter arm firstly move to the first controlling point. Okay, when the first controlling point, it is connected with the resistance. When it is connected the first controlling point, this supply is sun field, and this current is flow sun field through the flow to the sun field through NVC, non volt coil. And another current is through this current is through armature. Okay, when field and armature current is present, the motor is rotating. When motor is rotating means n is initially speed. When the gradually motor is speed, the back EMF, here is the back EMF also be increased. When the back EMF is increased, then that time starter arms move towards to clockwise. This direction is clockwise, move towards to clockwise. Then the gradually 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, then the run condition. This when the motor is speed up, the back EMF also be increases. When the time the starter arms to move towards to clockwise, and several resistance are cut, 1 to 2 to 3 to 5, then the run condition. Which times to stand in run condition in this motor? we see that here is a soft iron piece in starter arms. Okay, when the run condition, every motor have a characteristics to speed a rated speed. When the motor is full run condition or rated speed, then that time NVC no voltage release coil is generated a magnetic coil. Okay, a magnetic or a electromagnet is produced. When it is electromagnet is produced, the soft iron pieces is present, so the soft iron pieces is attractive by the no voltage coil, or here is produced a electromagnetic coil. Okay, this electromagnetic coil is attract the soft iron current and lock the starter arm in this coil. Okay, this and when the locked in armature, when the locked in starter arm, the full current is uh, present in the field winding and also armature winding, and the motor is rated speed. Okay, in case of failure, or in case of failure in or out the sun field, in case of failure, this is the open sun field. This is called open circuit sun field because it is opened or closed in this sun. Okay, when the sun field is open, or the motor is off or failure, then when that time we see the NVC, the when it open or fail the circuit, when this NVC means the electromagnet coil is de-energized, this electron is short circuit, not to move. When the time the NVC or electromagnet coil is demagnetizing, because there is no current is available, so this current is, when demagnetizing, the stern arm is returned to initial off condition, because the spiral spring is a force which is opposed to oppose the electromagnet force. Okay, when it is demagnetizing, the spiral spring is force opposite direction, and initial condition of condition is reverse. Okay, this is the process of off condition or failure condition. But when the load is overloaded, when that time we see that when it's overloaded in the motor, we have seen that DC supply is the switch is on, DC supply is on, the current is, when the armature is loaded, the armature current is large. When the armature current is large, the supply is also be more. The DC supply positive point is connected with the overload release coil. This overload release coil is magnetized. Okay, this overload current also be increases. This current also be increases. The here is the electromagnetic electromagnet produce also be more. The here this overload release coil is produce a electromagnet, convert a electromagnet coil. This electromagnet coils, here is a present a triangular iron pieces which are connected in this line, 769, and in this line are connected. When is convert into electromagnet, then the triangular iron piece is attached by the electromagnet. When is attached, the circuit is short circuited in this position. When is short circuited, the NVC, no voltage release coil or electromagnet coil, is demagnetizing. When it demagnetizing, the starting arm is turn back this initial condition, and the total motor is, when it is back condition, off condition, the circuit is cut out and the line is cut out, so the total motor is stop up. This is the working principle of 3-point starter. Okay, thank you.